Well, guess what? I wake up to a leaking roof. Roof. Excuse me, I'm just waking up. As you see, I got a bucket. A bucket, and it's raining inside due to, if you watch, you'll see a drip come down my sunroof. And I got to figure out how to unclog this particular sunroof, which YouTube said they are the same. But I don't know how to. I guess I'm going to have to unscrew this. Unscrew, because this is where the water coming out of. But see, the drain, I never used it. Oh, this water. But this comes loose and it tells me I can do something. I gotta figure it out because this is not gonna work. Waking up to wet floors through the night and have to put a bucket on. But yeah, something, I'm gonna have to take care of this because it's been raining like cats and dogs, and a wet floor stepping in puddle of water is not cool. So if you can help me, this is a G20 Chevy conversion van. It's not like it's not new like the newer uh, cars, but I guess a sunroof is a sunroof, but I don't recall having these. So please, if you can help me to unclog this, leave a message, subscribe, comment, and like the video, please. And thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. I really appreciate all that visit and subscribe. But please help me out here. Have a good day. I'll hit you back, my fans.